Hello. So, how are you all? This is CA Yogesh, and we are doing Statistics Standard 12th, Part 1, Chapter number 4, Time Series. In Time Series, we have completed many topics. We have completed graphical method, we have completed least square method. In last lecture, I have started method of moving average. And I told you that this method of moving average will be asked in 5 marks slot. Okay, in 5 marks slot there will be two questions from this chapter. One will be of method of least square and one will be of moving average. In moving average there are total 3 averages. 3 yearly moving average, 4 yearly moving average, 5 yearly moving average. And we have started the topic of 3 yearly moving average. I hope you all remember what was the 3 yearly moving average. I told you that you have to consider only y. In y, what you need to do, you have to take the digit itself. That means, say for example, you are taking 12. First year you will not be finding anything. In next year you will be taking digit itself 12, one digit up and one digit down. So this way you will be doing total of 3 years. Okay. Now this 3 years total you will be dividing by 3 and you will be getting the average. Okay. So you have to take average like this, 1 year itself, one up and one down. In next year also same ways. You have to take 16 plus 12 and plus 14. So 16 itself, one up, that is 12 up and 14 down. Okay. So it is 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 14, 42 and 42 divided by 3. Okay. Then next year and then same like in next. Okay. So this we have done in the previous lecture. 3 years moving average. Illustration 8 also we have seen. Yes, you can see 3 years average, 1 year itself, one up and one down. And you know that first and last year it will be blank. Then we have done exercise 4.3 is first sum. Yes. So today we'll be starting the next one, which is five years moving average. Okay, today we'll be starting 5 years moving average. Now what is this 5 years moving average? Okay, sir, then where is 4 years moving average? 4 years moving average will be covering after this 5 years. Okay. Now what is this 5 years moving average? In 3 years you remembered that you have to take 1 year itself, one up and one down. So that was the situation. In 5 year what we will do, you will take that year itself, 2 up and 2 down. So we didn't got it. See, what you need to do, you need to take 16 itself. So I have taken 16 plus 2 up, so 15 plus 12. So it is 16 plus 15 plus 12 and 2 down, 14 plus 10. Okay, so this 5 years total is there, 16 plus 15 plus 12 plus 14 plus 10. It will be something 67. Okay. Then in 14 what you will be doing? 14 itself, 2 up and 2 down, like this. Okay, so 2 up and 2 down, 14 itself, so 14 plus 12 plus 16 plus 10 plus 12. So this is the routine. Okay, 10 plus 12 22, 22 plus 16 38, 50 and 64. In first and second year it will be blank, in last 2 year it will be blank, as you will not get up to and down to in respective manners. Okay, so this way you will be solving the 5 years moving average. So it is quite easy. You can see 16 plus 12 plus 15 plus 4 plus 10 and 14 plus 12 plus 16 plus 10 plus 12. So as this is a 5 years average, you will be dividing it by 5. So if total is 67, you will divide it by 5, that is 13.4, and total is 64, you will be dividing 5, that is 12.8. Yes. So let's start an example. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average for the following data about yearly productions of a factory. Years 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Production in tons 112, 106, 93, 90, 114, 159, 170, 130, 108, 113 and 115. So you have to do 5 years average. Okay, so see, years are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 11. When you solve this kind of sums, especially moving averages, you have to write every digit by skipping one line. Okay, because you can see the data is a bit larger and we are writing in between the lines. So if you want to write in between the lines, you need to skip the line and write. Okay, now see y is given. Now as I told you that in 5 years moving average, first 2 years are blank, so you have to skip this first 2 years. First 2 years are blank. After that you have to take 93 plus 106 plus 112. So what I am doing, I am taking 1 year itself, 93, 2 up 106, 112 and 2 down, 90 plus 114. Okay, in next year what I will do, I will take 90, then what sir, then 2 up 106 plus 93, then 2 down 114 plus 159. Yes, it will be like this. Then this 114 plus 2 up 93 plus 90, 2 down 159 plus 170, then 159 plus 114 plus 90 plus 170 plus 130. Okay, so this is like this. Then I am talking about the 7th year. So you will be taking 170, 2 up 114 plus 159 and 2 down 130 plus 108, then 130 plus 2 up, so 159 plus 170 and 2 down, it is 130, sorry, it's 108 plus 113, and now last year it's 108 plus 2 up 170 plus 130 and 2 down 113, 115. So as you will see is the total is this. Total is this. Okay, so you can see the total, it's 515, 562, 626, 663, 681, 680 and 636. As this is 5 years total, you will be, as this is 5 years total, you will be dividing 5 to find the average. So if I will divide 5, it's 515 upon 5, 562 upon 5, 626 upon 5 and so on. Okay, let's do another one. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average. Find the trend using 5 yearly moving average from the following data of the profit in lakhs of a trader in different years. Years 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and profits is given. So what I will be doing, you will be writing in sequence. So see how you will be doing now. I hope so you remembered it. First 2 years blank. In third year you have to take 18 2 up, so 15 and 14 and 2 down, 20 and 17. In next it is yes, so in next year it will be 20 plus 14 plus 18 plus 2 down, 17 and 24. So now I hope you know how it works. Okay, you can see I have taken 18 itself, 2 up, 15, 14, 2 down, 20 and 17. So total is 84. In next 20 also I have done the same thing, 20, 2 up and 2 down. Yes, then also we have done same thing, 2 up and 2 down. So 18 and 20 up and 24 and 27 down. In 24 we have done the same thing, 2 up, that is 20 and 17 and 2 down, 27 and 25. Then how to find the average? So it is 5 years average. Simply you have to divide it by 5. If total is 84, divided by 5, 16.8. If total is 93, divided by 5, 18.6. If total is 106, divided by 5, 21.2. If total is 113, divided by 5, 22.6. If total is 116, divided by 5, it's 23.2. So I hope this was quite easy. Average 5 years and 3 years, both are easy. Okay, so now let's do the last one, that is 4 years moving average. Now this 4 years moving average is bit difficult and challenging, you can say. I'll teach you 4 years moving average, and in next lecture also we'll be discussing these 4 years moving average. Just take a simple idea, just take the simple idea today that how this actually works. Okay, so let's start. Find the trend using 4 monthly moving average for the following data for showing monthly sales in the shop, March, April, May, June and up to December. Okay, see, in a 3 years moving average, we have taken one digit itself, one up and one down. So you remembered 3 year moving average. Yes, in 5 years moving average, what you have done, you have written 2 up, 2 down and one digit itself. So in that way there was 5 years. So you know that 5 years average also. Now in 4 years moving average, there is a bit confusion. If you take digit itself, you cannot take 2 down and 1 up, or vice versa, 2 up and 1 down. How will you take? It will not match, na? See, in 3 years it was matching, 1 itself, 1 up, 1 down. In 5 years, 1 itself, 2 up, 2 down. In 4 years there is something problematic that doesn't matches it. So what you will do now in 4 years moving average? In 4 years moving average, what we will do, we will take 2 up and 2 down. We will not take digit itself. Sir, how? We will not be writing in opposite of the years, we will writing in the gap. See, after March, April and before May, June, I am writing in the middle line. In middle line there is nothing, there is no April and no May. April is up, May is down, so I am writing between April and May. Yes. Okay, let us bring the y. Okay, see what I am doing, I am writing between April and May. Okay, April point 0.5 I am writing between April and May. What we will be doing, we will be taking 2 up and we will be taking 2 down. Okay, so this way we will be doing. You got my point? 2 up and 2 down. But we will be writing an in between 2 years. Okay, we will be not writing in opposite anything. Okay, we have not written against May. We have not written against April. We have not written against June. We have written between April, May, between May, June. What you will write between May, June? 2 up, 3, 7, 2 down, 6, 4. See, it is simple, huh? 2 up and 2 down, nothing else. Don't get confused. Here also 2 up, 2 down. Here also same, 2 up and 2 down. Okay, let's see here. See, here I have written in middle, here I have written in middle, here I have written in middle. 2 up and 2 down. Here also I have written in middle. See, 2 up that means 4 plus 6 and 2 down that means 8 plus 9. Here 2 up that is 8 plus 4 and 2 down that is 9 plus 10. Between September and October, 2 up that is 8 and 9 and 2 down that is 10 and 8. So it's 35. Here it's between this October and November, 2 up, 9 plus 10 and 2 down. After this 4 months total, what you will be doing? You will be doing pair-wise total. Now what is this pair-wise total, sir? In 4 months total, we have found and written in between 2 particular years. Now what we will do? We will be doing totals total. Yes, see, this 21 is also total, this 20 is total. Now I will be doing 21 plus 20, that is 41, and I will be writing between these 2 lines, 21 and 20. Okay, take your book, take your pen and write, because then and then you can know how it works. Okay, so you will be writing between 21 and 20. Okay, please maintain this line. Now this is opposite to the May, you can see. Okay, 41 is opposite next to the May. Then 20 and 25 is also the total. So 20 plus 25, it's 45. So you'll be writing against this 20 and against 45, and 45 is opposite to the June. 5 plus 27, so it's 52, and you can see 52 is opposite to the July. Then 27 plus 31, 58, and you can see 58 is opposite to August. 31 plus 35, 66, opposite to September. 35 plus 36, 71, opposite to October. In this also, first 2 blank, March, April, second 2 blank, November, December. Okay, now the last step. What you have done? You have done 4 months total, then you have done pairwise total. Okay, why you have done pairwise total? Because you want opposite to the months. So now your total is opposite to May, June, July, August, September, October. First 2 blank and last 2 blank, just like 5 years average. In 5 years average also we were having first 2 blank and last 2 blank. So in this same, first 2 is blank and last 2 is blank. Now the last step. You have to divide the digit. In 3 years moving average, you are dividing by 3. In 5 years average, you will be dividing by 5. So sir, what we will do here? We will divide it by 4. The answer is no. You will be not dividing by 4. You will be dividing by 8. Okay. Sir, why 8 because you can see what you are dividing. You are dividing 41. This 41 is total of 21 and 20. Now this 21 is total of 4 years and this 20 is total of 4 years. So this 41 is total of 8 years. So if you want to find the average, you have to divide it by 8. Got my point? See, listen again. For example, I am taking this total 45. Now what 45 is? 45 is total of 20 and 25. This 20 is total of 4 years. Okay, see, this 20 is total of 4 years. This 25 is total of again 4 years. So this 45 is total of 4 years plus 4 years, that is total of 8 years. So you need to divide by 8. So you need to divide by 8 to find the 4 years monthly average. You got my point? You need to divide it by 8. Okay. So same we will be doing here. 52 upon 8, 58 upon 8, 66 upon 8 and 71 upon 8. Okay. So what we have done today? We have done today 5 monthly average, then 4 years moving average. So there were actually 3 topics: 3 years, 4 years and 5 years, and we have completed 3 years and 5 years moving average. And I have started 4 years moving average and I taught you how it works. In next lecture also I'll be doing a 4 years average and some exercise sums 1 or 2 will be doing and completing this chapter by the next lecture. Hope everything works fine. We have completed almost our journey of part 1 of the statistics. Okay, I'll conclude the part 1 in the next lecture. Till then you need to do and complete this particular 4th chapter and you have to start the exercise. We have completed majority of the chapter, not majority but 100% of the chapter we have completed. Just we will be doing some practice sums of this 4 years moving average, else I taught you the 4 years average also. Okay, so now no particular portion is left from this chapter, but then also we will be taking some examples or some good sums if it is okay in the next particular lecture. Okay, so you can start the exercise and solve it by your own. You have to make part 1 very strong if you want to score the good marks. Okay, thank you. Yes, so we are doing 4.3 number 2. This is also 4 yearly average method. The average monthly closing price of the share of a company in year 16 are given in the following table. Find the trend using 4 monthly moving average. So it can be yearly moving average, it can be monthly moving average, it can be weekly moving average. It doesn't make any difference as such. So what data is given in the question? Month Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December is given. Share price given is 253, 231, 350, 261, 262, 266, 263, 261, 281, 278, 272 is given. So now let's do the sum. Okay, you have, as I told you, you have to write by skipping one line. So I have written Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are total 12 months. So T is 1 to 12. Then Y is 253, 231, 350, 261, 262 and so on. Now what you need to do? As you all know what we need to do? We will be writing between Feb and March. Okay, we will be writing between Feb and March. How we will be writing it? 253 plus 231. I told you 2 up and 2 down, plus 350 plus 261. So 2 up, that is 253, 231 and 2 down, 350 and 261. So let's take one by one. Okay, we have done this between Feb and March. then this. So as I told you, 2 up, so 231 and 350, 2 down, 261 and 262, so your total is 1104. Same way, between this 261 and 262, that is between April and May, 2 up, 350, 261 and 2 down, 262 and 266. Same way between May and June, 2 up, 261, 262 and 2 down, 66 and 63. Between June and July, 262, 266, 263 and 261. Between July and August, 266, 63, 61 and 68. Between August and September, 2 up, 263, 261, 2 down, 281 and 278. Between September and October, 261, 281 and 2 down, that is 278, 278. Then between October and November, 281, 278 and 278, 272. Now what you need to do? Now you will be doing pair-wise total. How, sir? See, 1095 plus 1104. Now this pairwise total is opposite to this March. Then opposite to April. 1104 plus 1139. Okay. Let's see. How is it? So you can see it's 1095 and 114. That is 2199. Then 1104 and 139, that is 2243. Then it's 1139 plus 1052, that is 2191. 1052, 1052, that is 2104. 1052 and 101 is 2123. 1071, 1083, it's 2154. 1083 and 1098, it's 2181. 1098 and 1109, it's 2207. Now this is pairwise total, and I explained you that by which digit we will divide it. We will divide these by 8. Why 8, sir? Because this 21199 is total of 1095 and 1104. This 1095 is total of 4 years and 1104 is total of 4 years. So you can say total of 4 years plus total of 4 years is total of 8 years. So this 2199 is total of 8 years. So you need to divide it by 8. The same way 2243 you will be dividing by 8. Same way 2191 you will be dividing by 8. Same way 2104 you will be dividing by 8. Same way 2154 you will be dividing by 8. Yes. So you can see that 21 divided by 8, 2243 divided by 8 is 280.38. 2191 divided by 8 is 273.88. 2104 divided by 8 is 263. 2123 divided by 8 is 265.38. 2154 divided by 8 is 269.25. 2181 divided by 8 is 272.63. And 2207 divided by 8 is 275.88. As I told you that first two will be blank. So Jan Feb is blank. Last two will be blank. So November and December will be blank. Okay, it is like 5 years average. In 5 years average also first two and last two were blank, and in this also first two and last two are blank. Okay, this sum is actually a bit lengthy. If you do by yourself, then there may be some calculation mistake because it is in thousands and 2000. And when you draw the table, then you have to draw the table very carefully. That you have to skip the line, and you have to first write in between the lines. Then you have to combine this way. Okay. And when you are combining, it should be against a parallel line. Yes, it should be like this. See, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay. Yes.